In this video, we're going to analyze famous quotes from anime. Today, we're going to look at Amuro's quotes from Gundam. First, let's watch the scene and then we're going to check the grammar.
二度もぶった。親父にもぶたれたことないのに。
So today's quote is 親父にもぶたれたことないのに. Let's look at 親父にぶたれたことない first, as this grammar formation is inseparable. 親父 means dad, usually used by men in casual speech. It's the same meaning as お父さん, but 親父 sounds like you're more close and equal to your dad, whereas お父さん sounds more respectful and it's commonly used when you're a child. So 親父 is usually used once you have grown up. ぶたれた is the past tense of ぶたれる, which is the passive form of ぶつ, meaning to hit someone. A hits B is A は B をぶつ. And with the passive form, it becomes B is hit by A. B は A にぶたれる. So this A falls on 親父 and the B is Amuro, which is just omitted because it's clear that Amuro is talking about himself. So 親父にぶたれる means I am hit by my dad. Here are some examples. 先生に褒められる。みんなに愛される。先生に褒められる。みんなに愛される。Verb past tense and ことない or ことがない means have never done before or have no experience. So if you put ある instead of ない, it means have done before or have experienced. So 親父にぶたれたことない means I have never been hit by my dad. Examples. 日本に行ったことある？行ったことない。日本に行ったことある？行ったことない。Now let's look at the rest. も Many of you already know that you use も as an inclusive particle meaning also or to. For example, 私も行く I will go too. これも欲しい I want this too. But this も means even, which emphasizes what comes before. Amuro also said 二度もぶった meaning you hit me twice. This も emphasizes the quantity twice. Examples. 猿も木から落ちる。親にも話さない。猿も木から落ちる。親にも話さない。のに is a conjunction meaning even though. For example, たくさん寝たのにまだ眠い。Even though I slept a lot, I'm still sleepy. It's used when what is stated in the second clause goes against what is expected from the first clause. It implies unexpectedness or dissatisfaction, and it's often used for complaint. But by dropping the second clause and finishing the sentence with のに, you can express your feeling of discontent even stronger. Examples. だから言ったのに。明日朝早いのに。だから言ったのに。明日朝早いのに。So, 親父にもぶたれたことないのに if naturally translated is even my dad has never hit me before. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.